Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. S155 Pro Max Drone. S155 Pro Max Drone speaks to people who dream of seeing the world from above. This professional flying camera awakens curiosity and excitement, turning open skies into a personal canvas. Every flight feels calm and confident, guided by intelligent global positioning system support that keeps movement smooth and controlled. The experience feels empowering, especially for creators who want freedom without fear. The visual output feels deeply immersive. 8K high-definition aerial photography captures landscapes with emotional depth, making memories feel alive even after landing. Footage appears steady and cinematic because the 3-axis gimbal maintains balance during motion. Each frame feels polished, helping storytellers express ideas clearly and beautifully. Connection remains strong and responsive through advanced 5G communication, allowing real-time control that builds trust between pilot and machine. Long-distance exploration becomes comfortable, opening possibilities for travel content, creative projects, or personal discovery. The drone carries equipment up to 500-gram load, offering flexibility for different creative needs without stress. Safety awareness adds peace of mind. Intelligent obstacle awareness helps avoid sudden interruptions, allowing pilots to focus on creativity instead of constant correction. Smooth quadrotor movement enhances confidence during every session, even for those still learning. S155 Pro Max Drone is more than technology. It is an invitation to explore perspectives never seen before. It connects emotion with innovation, helping users feel inspired, capable, and ready to create unforgettable aerial stories that truly stand apart. Number 2. Potensic ATOM SE Drone. Potensic ATOM SE Drone opens a quiet path toward creative freedom, inviting curiosity without pressure. Designed for adults and beginners alike, this compact flying companion feels welcoming from the first lift. Its lightweight body under 249 grams gives confidence, especially for those starting aerial exploration, while still delivering a sense of professionalism that inspires pride. Visual storytelling becomes more meaningful through 4K clarity, allowing memories to feel real and emotionally rich. Landscapes appear calm, people look natural, and everyday surroundings gain new perspective. Movement feels smooth and reassuring because the single-axis gimbal keeps visuals balanced during flight, helping imagination flow without interruption. Built-in global positioning system guidance adds comfort, allowing focus on enjoyment rather than control. Flying feels intuitive, reducing hesitation and building trust with every moment in the air. The drone responds gently, encouraging longer sessions and deeper connection with creativity. Exploration reaches far beyond expectations with a maximum range of 4 km, opening wide spaces for discovery. Whether capturing travel moments or quiet neighborhood views, distance feels safe and reliable. Each flight brings a sense of calm excitement, blending technology with emotion. Potensic ATOM SE Drone supports growth, curiosity, and confidence. It quietly fits into daily life, offering a chance to see familiar places differently. This experience is not about complexity, it is about feeling capable, inspired, and ready to create stories from the sky that feel personal, expressive, and unforgettable. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. Teeggi SG909 Max Drone transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, inviting users to explore the skies with confidence and excitement. Its presence sparks curiosity, making every flight feel like an adventure waiting to unfold. The foldable design adds ease and freedom, allowing quick preparation and smooth transport, which makes spontaneous exploration feel effortless and inspiring. The 4K camera captures vivid details that make landscapes and cityscapes come alive. Every shot carries emotion, turning simple views into stories worth remembering. The clarity of each frame allows users to relive moments with depth, making memories feel more tangible and personal. Smooth motion during flight gives a sense of control, helping beginners and seasoned pilots alike feel capable while creating stunning visuals. Touchscreen remote control provides intuitive guidance, making navigation effortless. Distance no longer feels like a limitation, as the drone can reach up to 6-kilometer range while maintaining reliable connection. Each maneuver feels precise, enhancing confidence and enjoyment during every session. Safety and awareness come naturally with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Users can focus on exploration and creativity without fear of sudden interruptions. The quadcopter moves gracefully, balancing technology with ease and allowing pilots to connect deeply with each flight. Teeggi SG909 Max Drone is more than equipment, it is a companion for imagination and discovery. It encourages exploration, inspires confidence, and turns ordinary perspectives into breathtaking aerial stories. Every flight becomes an emotional journey, making users feel empowered, connected, and inspired to capture the world from a fresh, elevated viewpoint.